Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be my very first beauty subscription box for April and it's Look Fantastic. And this is what it looks like. And this is their Raw Beauty edition. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents, then I will add a timestamp down in the comments. So Look Fantastic is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £15 a month and it ships worldwide for free. And you can cancel any time. Inside contains 6 beauty products and a Elle magazine subscription, which I'll show you. They also have like a little mini magazine inside as well. And in there details all the products that are inside the box. Plus, you've got interviews and reviews and things. If you didn't already know, Look Fantastic is a massive online shopping website and it just sells everything beauty related. The products that you receive then, they are a mix of hair, skin and makeup products. It tends to be more skincare heavy and it tends to be more luxury. You do get full size items, but you also get like minis and travel sizes as well. Really, you see tiny little samples. I'm pointing at the box. I've been with them for about 18 months now and I absolutely love it. This is a PR box, but I also keep my subscription running as well. So I don't know how long these PR things last for, so I want to keep on with my subscription so that I can either keep the box for myself as extras or I can pass it on to a friend or family for like a birthday gift or something like that, or I put them up for giveaways. If skincare is more your thing, then I definitely recommend you checking this out. If you're unsure, then I've got a massive playlist. All my videos that I've done over the last 17-18 months are there. I will link that down in the description, as well as links to the subscription box and refer a friend code. I have 10% off if you take out a 3, 6 and 12 month code, so that'll be down there. So yeah, I think that's it. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. So this is the little booklet I told you about. And we normally get a sneak peek at the back and it's got in big writing sneak peek, but there's no picture. It just says our May box is all about things urban beauty, whether it's makeup that can be done whilst you're on the subway or pollutant protecting skincare. This box is an essential for those on the go moments. Okay, so they're not telling us exactly what's going to be in the box, but we have an idea. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. And here's a really pretty cover of Elle magazine. Hold on, I can't get it out. So there you go, so you get a free magazine and this would retail, I keep forgetting, I should know by now, £4.50. If you were to buy it in the shops, that would cost you £4.50, but you get that every month. And this is what it looks like, so let's open it up. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So I'll put this down in front of me and I'll pick an item up and show you and refer back to this little booklet. So does it say anything about this month's box in here then? This month we are taking a natural approach to our beauty routine with the Raw Beauty edition. Focusing on organic, natural and botanical beauty, we're taking an eco-mindful approach to our makeup and skincare. And then it goes on to tell you what is featured in this little mini magazine booklet type thing. This item is something large and this is Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts and this is by Ahava. Maybe that is how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure. So this is 250 grams. So yeah, dead sea salt, bath salts. Okay, it's got some information on the back. What's it say? Whenever your body is in need of a revitalizing charge, look no further than Ahava Dead Sea Bath Salts. Rich in healthy inducing minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. These powerful salts soothe your body with genuine relaxation, easing muscle tension and softening your skin. And it says, immerse yourself in the waters of well-being. Directions: dissolve 1 or 2 packets into a hot bath. Packets? What? That's quite a lot. That is quite... I wouldn't put 2 of these in a bath. That is quite a lot. Or maybe you can get smaller ones, I'm not sure. I like that we've got this though, it's something different. You don't find these in beauty boxes, so no, I'm really liking this. So it says, oh, it's got prices, I've just noticed. They don't normally have prices, and after I've done my unboxing and I'm doing my editing, I go online to find the prices and post them up, but I don't need to now because I got them written in there. Ah, that's brilliant, I love that. Easier work for me. So it says here that these bath salts are worth £7. Experience the ultimate restorative soak with these natural dead sea bath salts. In enriched with over 21 essential skin-friendly minerals. These salts can help to replenish skin and relieve muscle tension and inflammation while simultaneously softening and hydrating skin. It also says if you don't have a bath, try using half the packet as a restorative foot bath. This will capture the benefits of the minerals and give your feet a pamper. So yeah, so you don't need more than one of these to have a full bath, so one is enough. I really like that. So next product we've got an Emma Hardy, and it's a Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. So deeply hydrates and moisturizes, lifts and smooths, improves firmness and elasticity. And this is 15 ml. I'm not sure if I've ever had this before. I've had Emma Hardy, the cleansing balm, which is gorgeous. Is it Moringa cleansing balm? It is beautiful. It just melts on your face. It is really nice, but I'm not sure if I've ever had any of the other skincare from her. Not from her, in subscription boxes, I mean. This is worth £13.50, and it says create a hydrating veil over skin with this intensive moisturiser, rich in hyaluronic acid. Improve the appearance of the complexion by locking in moisture levels beneath the skin surface, soothing irritation and plumping the skin. And it says if you have oily skin, you may prefer to use this as a hydrating night cream instead of a daily moisturiser. I'm gonna have to try a bit on my hand. It's got that spa type aromatherapy type smell to it. It's lovely, really, really nice and natural. Oh, no, it's nice. Yeah, a nice cream. So that's our second product. Next, we got a Bellapierre Cosmetics lipstick. Oh, and what is this? This is in Envy, and that's what that looks like there. Now, I've had quite a few Bellapierre cosmetics before in subscription boxes. It seems to be a subscription box sort of favourite. You tend to see them a lot, but I never had a lipstick. I always tend to get the liquid lipsticks. Some are nice, some aren't so nice, but no, I'm really excited to see. Oh, what a lovely colour. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, I was going to say, I'm really excited to see how this is, what this is like. So I'll just put it on the side there. Wow, that is definitely a colour I wear. Oh my gosh, I love it. Really, really pretty colour. So the information says that it's worth £16. Enhance your lips with this Your Lips But Better shade of pink, a mineral lipstick formulated with natural waxes and mineral pigments. This smooth and silky 100% natural formula delivers long-lasting colour without drying your lips. I think everyone will be getting this shade. It's got lipstick in Envy, so yeah, so there's no like variations there. I'd say that's more like a red, pink, corally type colour. I can't describe things very well, can I? Oh, never mind. But I love the colour anyway. So that's our third item. Next we have got, is it Neobay Organic and Natural Origin Recovery Masks. It's a face mask, I think, anyway. Yes, and this is a 20 ml mask. So that's what that looks like there. I think I've tried this brand before in a subscription box. I don't know which one, but a hand cream. It rings a bell. So it's worth £4.95. Created for sensitive skin, this recovery mask from Neobay contains softening and refreshing orange flower water, vitamin E and moisturising ingredients such as rice poppy and tiger nut oils to restore fatty acid levels in the skin. Ideal for soothing inflamed skin, this mask contains zinc oxide, which helps to enhance the skin's barrier and reduce redness. With 98.7% of the ingredients from natural origins and over 30% derived from organic farming methods, this mask is a natural skincare wonder. Apply to dry skin and leave on the skin for at least 7 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. This mask contains bentonite clay, so if you have drier skin, you may wish to follow this with a rich moisturiser. So that's our fourth item. Next we've got a Balance Me, and this is a vitamin C repair serum with hyaluronic acid, and this is 7 ml. So we've had quite a lot of Balance Me over the last year or two since I've been receiving subscription boxes, that is. And again, I'm not sure if I've had this or not. I can't remember. I've had a lot of moisturisers and other serums, but I'm not sure if I've had a vitamin C one. Vitamin C is supposed to be amazing for your face. I did have a vitamin C serum that I've run out now, and it's supposed to help with like pigmentation, because I tend to have a bit of pigmentation on my forehead and around here, and I love that serum. So yeah, so I wonder what this is like. What's it say here? So this is worth £11. Combat anti-aging and hyperpigmentation with this vitamin C infused repairing serum containing stabilised vitamin C and melavoid. The serum works to reduce skin pigmentation and calm inflamed skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Apply after cleansing, dotting the serum over the face and neck in the morning and evening. If you're using a retinol-based product, we'd suggest alternating its use with a vitamin C, as they can react on the skin if used together. Balance Me are quite hit and miss. Some of the products I really like, some I don't. I don't like their micellar water. don't like it at all, and I've had that a few times as well, but no, I don't like it. But no, I'm really excited to try that because it's got vitamin C and I'm in need of something like that because mine has run out. Our last item then is Grow Gorgeous. This is a hair product and this is Back into the Roots 10 minute stimulating scalp mask, and this is 60ml, so that's what it looks like there. We've had a few products from this brand and they're lovely, all for your hair. We've had shampoos, conditioners and treatments. They're really, really nice, really nice. So what's it say here? This is worth £6 and it says revive tired and flat hair with this 10-minute miracle worker that will add a boost of life into the roots. This stimulating scalp mask will revitalize the scalp, lift the roots so that your hair appears bouncy and voluminous. Infused with burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins and caffeine, the mask creates a cooling sensation whilst creating a thicker and fuller appearance of hair. This paraben and sulfate-free formula will leave your hair light, clean and bouncy, and it just says massage a generous amount into dry hair, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse off to reveal bouncy locks. Leave this on for an hour, covering hair with a shower cap for an intensive treatment to revive even the driest of hairs. And that's a little tip there, so now I really have to try that as well, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are the 6 items in April's Look Fantastic box, and this is their raw beauty box of all natural beauty products. We've got a bit of a mix. We've got some skincare, we've got some hair care, and we've got some makeup as well. So now looking at the products again, I'm really chuffed. I'm excited to try the Dead Sea salts. I think adding something like this in a box is quite exciting. It's a little bit different, which I really like. And the other products as well, we've got quite well-known brands that we've seen in other subscription boxes as well as Look Fantastic before, but I don't think I've ever tried any of these products, which is nice, because I've been doing this for a while now, so obviously I'm harder to please than someone just signing up to a subscription. But no, I'm really chuffed with it. I think we've got some really lovely products there, and I love the theme as well, and the box is gorgeous, so definitely a keepsake box. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's worth £15? Is it a box that you get? And also, if you don't like this box, all your comments and opinions, I'd love to know, because I'm just curious to know what you think. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.